Hey! Alright guys, so I got some bags for my car. It's a good day. Here's the bags. I'm buying them used off some other guy, a friend of ours. It's Air Lift Peformance or something like that. I'm not really sure, but here's the whole kit. It's kind of like set up kind of for the trunk. Yeah. So far we got the coils out.
Yeah?
They're all taken, yeah. They're all taken out.
Chopping. What a big trunk. Now Lucas is uninstalling his sub to make room for the wiring for all of the bag stuff. Don't know what it is though.
This was the old flimsy setup I had before with a sub. This thing was too weak, so we're gonna have to destroy it.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back to starting this now. We got the rear shocks now, so we're able to start. We're kind of going to send it, because like, we've never done anything like this before, especially like all these lines, so we're just going to figure out along the way. Maybe call up a couple friends and have them look at it. Loudest noise in the world, boys.
It wasn't even that loud. I want to get the jump.
The bag's kind of in there, strut in the bag. Gotta figure out how to wire all this now and go from there and see what happens. Alright guys, got most of the squad here today. So we got both of the rear struts in and the bags. We got Logan here making a comeback.
Yeah.
We got the fronts on and they're bolted up. And right now they're cutting off the sway bar. I don't know if you can hear me right now. Ooh. Ooh. Nine.
It's because you got marks on it.
We definitely gonna need another blade.
Yeah. So guys, we got the angle grinder now. You get it smoking? Oh. Wait, take it out, Alex. For the boys.
So far out.
There it's cut.
Decent. I hope you don't need a swivel. Alright guys, it's like 12 o'clock, maybe 11, I don't know anymore, but the back bags are in, front bags are in. Now it's time for electrical, which we kind of have mounted up, and then airlines, which is the hardest part. Hey.
Stop animal abuse.
Getting the lines in properly done now.
I just do it at least 10 times a day. At least.
This seat, yes, that makes a lot of
We're getting it set up right. We're getting all the wires hooked up to the boxy thing, whatever we call that.
And find it.
Alex.
I'm throwing some airlines through the bottom underneath the car on the subframe.
Mmm. Boy's got a swing.
Josh, you know you didn't run this far enough. Okay guys, we've got the electric working now. It should be hooked up, and you can hear the compressor in the back going. So that means all the electrical's up now, just get the airlines done.
So then they must have fallen.
We got pretty much the bags figured out. We're building up the pressure and figuring out how the remote works for the bags. Now we're just going to start the car so the bag doesn't drink.
It's just late. Do it. The cops are gonna come.
do it. They literally this bad. I know. We're gonna be mocked. Alright boys, everything is together, finishing up, putting the wheels on. What was that boost up off going? Alright. Oh, look at the fitment. Put back out the stock suspension. Oh no. Look at this like first right height actually though. Yeah, that's so ugly. Look at this stock fitment.
Hold on. Oh, get it.
223.
Get it. The low life was not for him.
Check into that.
You're good.
Hey.
Well, you're airing it up. Oh, there we go.
Oh!
More.
The front.
Do the rear more again, like you did. Like no, you just went up. Go down.
No, it's because every single thing is.
Yeah, you need new spacers. One left more. You gotta order the.
Okay, go up. Go up.
One left more.
Oh my god.
Oh! It's so fast. This one. But it's not straight. He's not touching the ground. He needs more. He's not touching the ground. He needs more, boys.
Yeah,
more jacking power. Stucking. It's stucking.
Wait for it. Oh, you're all the way out.
Oh, that's actually pretty good. Here, turn the wheel a little bit more this way.
Let me know you're going up. You're such a big elf. So low. He was that low before.
The back is too wide too. Okay guys, we got the air pretty much good. Alex, air it out real quick. More. More. More.
Oh god. Just trying to get
And the reason it's not that low here is because I still didn't get the frame notch. Yo, that's like perfect fitment, dude.
Little boy, you need new fenders. It looks ugly.
And I need to get smaller spaces for the back too. So we'll have more videos after we get the frame notched. So it'll be able to go all the way down to the floor. And I need to get different spacers too, but I don't know if I'll get that before, you know, we get the video uploaded, but like, I'll definitely like get smaller spacers. The front's like perfect as far as fitment. I just need to get the drop plates, which are gonna come soon, to get the center wheel or the back wheel centered. Alright, get in the trunk.
no.
Yeah, he has a decent wheel gap. 4 fingers. Tank is in, boys. Not really, but it's in there, eh?
Does this go under?
Yeah.
Oh. You can have the tank like right here.
Tank, bro.
This can go right here. Does that look good, Brian?
It looks centered. We can just drill it, send it with the
I'm not
screws.
even joking, we are.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, 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 yeah, 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 yeah.